Okay guys, I thought I'd do a follow-up on the last video I made about the Heil headset that I was having problems with. As you recall, if you watch it, I bought a pair of headphones and I just couldn't get them on because the cups, the earpieces, not only did they tilt back and forth, but they also span around in a circle. And basically, this is to make them easier to pack if you go abroad with them and put them in the bag. So I sent them back to Martin Lynch, who were very helpful, and he sent me Jonathan sent me a link and showed me what he thought would be a more suitable pair. And these are the ones. These are just a Pro-set, the IC Pro-set. Basically the same set of headphones, same type of microphone, but with a slightly different headset. So you're getting the same ICOM insert, but it's just a slightly cheaper version headset, which is obviously cheaper because it hasn't got the swivel bit on there. So it should be a lot easier to put on. So let's give it a go. Let's give it a go, shall we? Here we go. There we go. And I promise you, that's the first time I've done it. There we go. Perfect. There we go. All that's no problems whatsoever there. Take them off. Put them back on again. I want to put them back on. There you go. Yeah, that's better. They're very comfy as well, actually. I've had these I had some of the older ones back 10 years ago, probably more than that, and they were quite heavy and couldn't wear them for too long before it made your head hurt. But these are actually very comfortable. And it's got a nice little insert you can move out of the way if you want. It stays nice and close to your mouth as well. Doesn't get in the way too much. Yeah, that's a nice, comfy and very. I can also experience a noise cancelling because I can't hear much at all, which is obviously what you want. You don't want to be hearing noises apart from what's coming through the headphones. So yeah, I think these are going to be good. I'll do another video once I've got them operating and working on, because I'm going to be using them primarily with the Vox function. That's one of the reasons I bought them, is to use my Vox. So there you go, success at last. So if you are disabled and like me you have problems with your hands, if you're going to get a pair of headphones, try and avoid the ones that have the swivel. These have got, they've got a tilt, that's no problem, but once you get the ones with the swivel that fold, you'll have all sorts of problems getting them on. But these, perfect, no problems at all. Thanks guys, see you later.